Now we are using a neon color paper and we are making a cute cartoon which is kept on the table. It is very small. We have made the ears and now we will draw some face on it. Now we'll make a Pikachu with the paper. Of course we will use a yellow color paper to make the Pikachu. We have made the body with the paper by giving some folds to it and the ears. Now the Pikachu is ready. Now we will use a white color paper. You can use a tissue also and we'll make a bunny face. You can see it was very easy to make. We have made the face. Thank you very much for watching the video. Next we'll make a chocolate wrapper with the paper. We're using two color papers, which is blue from one side and yellow from the other side, and we have given some folds to give the shape. Next we will start folding the paper as shown in the video and we will wrap it like a chocolate. You can see at first we'll do the one side and next the other side. We have done it and we have merged it, and you can draw the face also.